Look, rain. Run. Let's catch this rain. What will a plumber do with a pot? Bring out the rain barrel like Janaki Amma. Janaki Amma has sure brought home the rain barrel. But where is she going to place it? Wherever she uses water the most. The rain barrel is usually placed in the utensil washing area or the laundry area. The car park and garden are also ideal locations for it. The rain barrel can be used as the first step to introduce people to rainwater harvesting. Now let's learn how to put together a complete rainwater harvesting system using a rain barrel. For a sloped roof, you need gutters to catch rainwater. There are two details one should remember while rigging up a gutter: the drip putty and angle of the gutter. Absence of the drip putty detail makes rainwater spill towards the house. When the angle of the gutter is in the same line as the edge of the roof, rush of rainwater spills outside the gutter. The angle should be above the line of the roof, and the drip putty detail should be worked into the edge of the roof so that the flow of rainwater is correctly directed. Gutters are available in many materials like PVC, polycarbonate and GI. Cost, durability and aesthetic are the criteria. Flat roof intakes play the role of gutters in flat roof houses. You don't even have to route the entire rooftop catchment water. Just one pipe from even a part of the roof can collect a good amount of water. Both gutters and downpipes lead to the first drain separator and storage. The first drain separator is a simple vertical PVC pipe with an end cap or a valve. When the cap or valve is open, the dirty rooftop rainwater flows away from the system. When it is closed, clean rooftop rainwater fills up the vertical pipe and moves through the Y-joint into the filter. The Y-joint ensures zero spillage of first drain into storage. There is thus complete first drain separation. Rooftop rainwater is the purest one can get. However, it comes in contact with the roof or gutters and gets mixed up with leaves or dust. To get water fit for consumption at the end of the harvesting process, it is necessary that water is filtered before storage.
ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಣಲಿ, ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಬಂದು ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹತ್ರ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ಲಾನ್ ಮೆಶ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಬಿ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ 6 mm ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು.
Baby jelly stones in the filter provide the trap. The dirtier the roof might be, the smaller the jelly stones that should be used. Usually the filter is placed below the inlet pipe at the mouth of the barrel. Overflow provision is necessary to ensure that rainwater which falls into an already full rain barrel is led to an appropriate place so that it does not just flow away. This can be directed into a recharge well or just out to the drain or onto the driveway from where it will flow away. A tap at the bottom of the barrel allows for easy access to stored water. Always place the rain barrel on a stand so that one can place a bucket below the rain barrel. Different roof areas map onto different sizes of rain barrels. Both flat and sloped roof houses are perfect setups for rainwater harvesting using a rain barrel. So there, your rain barrel is ready to receive rainwater.